This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Sammy, have you seen my favorite doll by any chance?
I sure have. Surprise!
Oh, my Tibidaba, what have you done?
I gave her a fresh new look. I have a talent for makeovers.
Not really. You need some makeup tips, and I can help. Come with me. Okay, Sam, I'm going to teach you how to become a real makeup expert.
Seriously? Wow! This is my lucky day. Thank you, Susie. Yay!
Everything we need is right here. And this glamorous pretty lady will be our model.
Awesome! Then I need a costume change. I have to get into character, you know?
Why am I not surprised? Ooh, it's a nail baggie? Wow! I could use a manicure. This is so handy.
And I'm ready! It took me forever to find this hat. What did I miss?
Holy cannoli, Sammy! What are you wearing?
My makeup guru outfit, of course. I want to look the part.
You certainly do now. I always wanted long nails. Wow, they look so glamorous. But I can't wear them just now. We have work to do. Let's open the makeup baggie and see what's in here. Would you just look at all these goodies, friends? Let's unwrap them all. We've got a makeup palette. Now let's open the next goodie. False eyelashes. These look great. There's a lot more to open. That's more like it. Sam, we're ready. Where are you?
I'm a makeup guru vampire. I will give you a makeover.
No, Mr. Vampire. Don't do that, please.
I'm not the best at makeup yet, but I make a great vampire.
Okay, I'll admit it. You scared me there. Now let's get started. We'll begin our makeover with some powder. This will give our model a little color and matte her skin.
Oh yeah! The au naturel look is so last season.
We don't need a lot, just a little coating.
That's probably too much. I don't see you, Sue.
Here, use this.
Yeah, that's better.
Let's keep going. What color should we use? They all look so pretty. This is the one. I just love this shade. I'm sure it would look great on me. Here we go. Just a little bit more. I feel like Da Vinci when he was painting the Mona Lisa.
I need another model. This one looks like she's been in the sun too long.
The eyeshadow and powder are done. So what should we do next? Ooh, I know, the eyelashes.
Eyelashes? Why didn't I think of that?
We need to stick the lashes to our model's eyelids with some special glue. We don't want them falling off.
Can you imagine that happening? We would be the talk of the fashion world. Miss, close your eyes, please. This is an important part.
That's the model's eyelashes on, but something seems to be missing.
I know. We need to add some black volume mascara. Here you go, Susie.
Great idea, Sammy. Let's do it.
Sue, I need some mascara for my eyelashes too.
Sure. Oopsie.
Huh? What happened just now? Oh no, what a disaster! What should I do? I can't stay like this!
I'm so sorry, Sammy. I guess you had to use more lash glue. All right, let's move on. Next, we'll try the blusher. It will give our model a healthy glow. Where was it? The blusher will also help add some contouring, but I need a makeup brush.
Look at me, Sue! I'm like a peacock!
Right on time.
But Sue, it looks so cool on me. You're such a fun killer.
I'm sure you can find something else. Look at those rosy cheeks. Any model would dream of them.
I'm getting the hang of this. It's not so hard. I'll be a celebrity. The pride of Paris. The main man of Milan.
Maybe, someday. But now let's give our model fuller lips. And this lipstick will do the job.
I like it. But we could use some lip plumper too, don't you think?
Say no more.
Now we're talking.
Wow, that worked even better than I thought it would. Great job.
It's time to slow things down. This is a song I wrote called It Ain't Easy Being Slime. 1, 2, 3, 4. La, la, la,
Please, no singing, Sammy. We still have work to do.
That's okay, Sue. The song is still a work in progress. That's all I wrote so far.
Now that I look at it, I think that lips are kind of too big. Let's try with another lipstick. Wow, awesome color. It's time to do the nails. It's a vital part of any makeover after all. Let's open another blind baggie. These stickers will give the nails a little sparkle, and that's what we all want.
There's so many. I don't know what to choose. This is so hard.
Oh, I I like this one. I think I'll do this with my nails too when we're done here. And for the other hand, I want to use this pretty heart. We still have one bigger baggie here. I'm sure there's something really cool inside. Wow! Sammy, you have to see it!
It's time for a fresh new look. Let's see how this hairstyle looks on our model.
There we go. I think it's a perfect fit. Do you agree, friends? Everybody needs a little jewelry. We have some in this baggie. Shiver me cheddars. These earrings look classy. I would like a pair of these too. But that's not all. It looks like we have more accessories. It's a hair clip. We don't want any stray hairs, so it will keep everything in place. And finally, sunglasses. I mean, models need to have them. It gives some extra charm. They look so stylish. Wow, Sammy, we did a great job. The model looks stunning.
Do you really think so? I couldn't have done it without you, Sue. Let's have another look at our masterpiece.
What a day! But at least I picked up some new makeup tips.
Ouch!
Sue, my model is in the latest edition of the magazine. Yay!
All right. Wow, that's amazing, Sam. You're clearly talented. Whoa. This is amazing, really. But keep your voice down, would you? Roger's in bed sleeping. Don't wake him up, please.
Is he? Looks like I've just found my next model to practice on. See you next time, friends. Bye.
What? Sammy, get back here! Oh!
Help! I need a big cuddle!
I need cuddles. What happened?
I saw a ghost!
Really? Where?
Right here! I thought ghosts didn't show up well in photos.
Great! It's a photogenic ghost!
All we have is a photo to go by. I think we need to do a little more investigating of this ghost. Who's coming with me?
I am!
I'll stay here and, protect Elizabeth.
I think I know who will be protecting whom.
I'm going with you, Princess. It's far safer to get out of the castle.
Oh yeah? Why's that?
Because everybody knows ghosts love living in castles.
Come on, Princess, what are we waiting for? Let's get out of here and investigate. Extra, extra, ghost haunts magic-y. The phantom is going random. Apparition on a mission. Extra, extra, ghost haunts magic-y.
Thank you, Ferdinand. Let's get a better look at this ghost. Wait a minute. Doesn't that look like the twin princess's castle behind the ghost?
The ghost! Sorry, that was me. Must be lunchtime.
You see? Nothing to be scared of.
That was the ghost.
That's strange. I never heard a ghost giggle.
Or skip.
Oh no, I just know someone is gonna say...
Let's go after it.
Let's go after it. Look out!
Oh, Sir Kitty Cat.
Huh?
Well, that's the first time I've ever seen a cat afraid of a mouse.
Come on, I thought it was,
That sounded like Shasha. Come on, let's hurry.
No, wait for me!
Help! Help! Shasha, did the ghost put you in this cage? No, I was trying to get the ghost in the cage. But I guess it backfired.
Surprise, surprise.
Oh, it's locked. Here, let me help you. Oh, thank you, Princess Billy. No problem. So, you saw the ghost, Shasha? Yes, I saw it. The terrifying ghost. It looked like this.
The ghost looks like a bedsheet.
Yes, but with pink feet.
Pink feet. Something about this ghost sounds fishy.
Or maybe it sounds more panda than fish. Look at this.
Those footprints look just like panda prints.
And not just any panda, a problem panda.
And if a problem panda is involved, we know who's behind all of this.
A problem koala? No, Shasha, the twin princesses. I'd rather have a ghost. Well, I guess there's only one thing to do.
Go back to the castle and hide under our beds.
No, Sir Kitty Cat. We have to follow these panda tracks.
Let's just hope they're panda tracks.
The tracks end here.
Oh, poor Ed. Let's see if he's okay.
Don't hurt me, you ghastly ghost! Please, what do you want? Anything!
Give me the ravishing potion.
The beautiful beauty potion that makes you ravishingly ravishing?
Yeah,
Strange choice for a ghost. Not here.
thanks. I mean,
We were right. That's no ghost. It's just a panda under a sheet.
Why is he scaring everyone?
I don't know, but we're going to find out. Truman, do you still have the sheet Jaja made?
Right here.
Great. I have an idea.
You there!
ah!
What are you doing in my neighborhood?
Hey, wait, you got it all wrong. I'm not really a ghost. See, I'm a panda.
A panda? I love pandas. For lunch. I don't know what he was so scared about. I was just inviting him over for lunch.
Ed, are you okay?
Never better, princess. I was just coming out to see who was laughing all that laughter.
That ghost was no ghost, Ed. It was a panda, out to do the twin princess's bidding, no doubt.
But don't worry, we gave him a taste of his own medicine.
Yeah, I bet he won't go scaring anyone else ever again.
Well, you are all correctly correct to laugh, because the joke is most certainly certain on the twin terrors.
What do you mean?
That panda came from my ravishing potion, but I accidentally gave him my vanishing potion.
So instead of being beautiful, the twins are going to
Disappear?
Well, it's about time. I saw the scariest thing I've ever seen.
That's nice. Do you have the ravishing potion?
I'll never scare anyone else ever again, now that I know how it feels.
Whatever. Just spray us with the potion so that we can become the most beautiful, ravishing princesses in the whole world. Hey! Where did I go? Why can't I see myself in the mirror?
You're invisible!
Huh?
Vanishing potion?
Whoa! Ghost! Where? Ah! Ah! Ghost!
Wow, the twins' house of horrors really sounds like one today.
I guess Ed hasn't arrived there yet with the antidote.
Too bad he doesn't have a potion that can make them not seen and not heard.
We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. Listen, we're first going to go... You know, it's not very nice to make up stories to frighten other people. Anyway, there's no spider in my hair because it's crawling up your arm!
Now you know how it feels.
You're right. It's not all that funny to scare people. In fact, it's not funny at all. We're sorry.
So are we.